Hi friends, tonight I'm picking a little master safety lock for you. It's series 6835, not that easy to read. You have a keyway, not that easy, and here I have a key. It's nicely bitted. Of course only one lock, as it is a safety lock. So let's see if we get it open. Actually pretty nice security pins inside, and not that easy to maneuver the pick. Okay, but already a little click in the back. Okay, a little give on pin 2. Feel free, feels a little give, okay. 4 is deep down, so we try to get around it. Okay, got to pick, I think, behind 5. Let's see if we get something out of it. Okay, 1 feels solid. Very easy to overset. 3. Not that easy to find the way between the warding and the pins. Okay, touched pin 4 and got a little bit more of a false set here. I'm starting from the beginning. 2 is okay. I know 1 is already set. 3. 4 feels okay. Let's see, 5. Okay. If I get onto 5, yeah, I could feel it. It is 5, and I loosen a little bit of tension, and here it's open. So you can see here the very tight space. I have to get the pick in because I can't pick around this corner here. Only for a start, as the pick doesn't reach the pins so high. Not that easy. It's key retaining, of course. And actually it does have a screw. So let's zoom out. I really need to get a wide angle lens. Oh, the screw is pretty tight. Okay. I haven't taken this apart. Again, not that well prepared. Okay, we have a retainer, a screw, a plate, and here's a little core. Doesn't have any plates at the back. Okay. So let's see. Oh, it's a little bit oily. Okay. Clip does come off pretty okay. Okay, clip is off. And now let's see. And the core turned this way. Let's hope my follower is fitting. Not really, but maybe to this side here. Let's make it quick and dirty. Okay, it's true. Okay. Oh, it's a 6-pin lock. This explains a little bit. Okay, I thought it was only 5 pins. Okay, you can see the first pin. Let's get a little bit more right in. First pin is not that deep down. Okay, let's get it out. It's a normal pin. Second pin is a normal pin, green colored. The third pin is pretty short, a normal pin. 4 is a normal pin. 5 is again normal pin, and 6 is short normal pin. Core is all stock. Let's look what's inside here. Ah. Okay. Let's see. I really have to print myself a new follower. This one is a little bit tight, and the lock is pretty oily. Okay, first pin's out. It's a little spool. Oh, very tiny pins here. It's really pretty tight. So second pin, again a little spool. I will zoom in a while. Next pin. Oh, was jumping out. A little spool. Let's get to the next one, pin 4. Again a little spool. This is tight, and I can see the tiny springs. Okay, pin 5 is a standard pin. Or no, it does have the tiniest bit of serrations. I will show you in a moment. And the last pin again is a spool. Yeah, let's get the springs out. Very tiny springs. There's one more. Ah, it's so oily it was sticking in the core. Yeah, the core is all normal, nothing done to it. So I will try to zoom in a little bit for you. Let's see how this works. Oh, sorry. You can see the 5th key pin with its very tiny serrations. I wouldn't even call this serrations. These are more scratches. And the other 5 drivers are spools. Yeah. Nice sharp spools, not that deep, but we give pretty good feedback. And I actually don't know why this key pin is red and green. No idea. But this is what's inside. This pretty nice 6835. Very cool lock with a nasty keyway. So thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.